Hi, my name is Kaitlin Breton-Honeyman, and I am a PhD candidate at Trent University in Peterborough, Ontario. I am studying beluga whale habitat ecology by bringing habitat variables, such as sea surface temperature, together with aerial surveys and Inuit knowledge of beluga habitat. Through this method, the objective is to develop a comprehensive understanding of beluga habitat ecology in Nunavik, the northern region of Quebec. In my presentation at IPY, I am sharing part of this work, focusing specifically on the use of kernel density estimates to more accurately represent and communicate spatial information from Inuit knowledge. My other poster uses circuit theory analysis to improve understanding of what habitat variables are associated with beluga migration. I'd be very happy to discuss any of this work with you. Nakumi to all of my partners and for the very generous funding support.